What I would want to leave the ambassadors with is believing in yourself. Because I feel like a lot of people have a lot of self-doubt when it comes to this trading stuff.
This industry has a high failure rate, and it's because people quit.
This journey in Forex is not an easy one. It's very simple to get the concepts, but it's not easy in the fact that you have to put in the work, you have to grind for it.
It gets hard before it gets easy.
When you first learned to ride a bike, you fell several times, you got back up on the bike, eventually you knew how to get to where you're going. Well, we do the same thing.
Don't just get your feet wet and then just get out because the water's cold. Dive full in and be locked in.
At Ellev8, we have a system, and it's a foolproof system.
You know, get rid of all your preconceived notions about what trading may be.
Learn the skill. I mean, it's a skill that nobody is ever going to take it away. You know, nobody's ever going to take it away. So once you acquire that skill, I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Forex is real, crypto is real. Forex is a $6.6 trillion a day liquid market. All you have to do is understand how the markets work, take the skill set, bring it in, learn it, soak it up, be a sponge, and eventually over time, 3, 6, 12 months, you're gonna learn something that can never be taken away from you.
Trading is something that anybody can do.